Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Welcome to the next part of this Vanquish H10 Optic Kit build. In this part of the series, we are going to go over putting together the drive shafts. For this part, you'll need bag E. For step E1, you'll need the following. You'll need these pieces here. Make sure that this is the 35mm length one. You'll need thread lock, and I will be using Permatex anti-seize lubricant for the drive shaft joint. I'll put a link to this in the description below. That completes step E1. For step E2, you'll need these following parts. You'll need these parts right here, the 2x11 pin, the washer, one M3x6 countersunk screw, and the screw pin and thread lock. And that completes step E2. Now I'm gonna actually go back and redo these drive shafts because the kit does provide you with 4 shims. I'm going to use 2 shims on each axle because using 2 shims on each axle reduces the crunchiness of the gear mesh. If I could just get that shim on. There we go. A lot smoother. So use 2 shims on each of these outputs. For step C3, you'll need 2 of each of these for the upper portion of the drive shafts. So you need 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 M3x6 countersunk screws, and 2 screw pins, and your thread lock. And that completes step C3 and C4. And that also completes this part of the build series, the drive shafts. Adding the drive shafts to the axles and the upper part of the drive shafts to the transmission. And sooner or later, when we mount these up to the chassis, we'll have to put the inserts between the two pads. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Vanquish H10 Optic Kit build. Thanks for watching.